You know, like what would be cool about it is the fact that like people that do a lot of really good YouTube videos is they're very well educated on the area, so that means they had to do a lot of research before they went.
All right, guys, we just made it to the elephant. We're walking up to it.
Well, at least to the sign.
It's nice and crunchy snow. What do you mean? It's a real elephant. The stone elephant. Ta-da-da.
Okay. Here we go.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow, it looks just like an elephant.
Minus the trunk. I can see the eye and the nose and mouth, right? Is that
what?
Eye, nose, mouth, but it's missing a trunk. That would be my guess. I don't know. This actually has the appearance of an elephant, doesn't it? Like the skin, like they're all dried.
This is the rump of the elephant.
All right, so we're done with our hike. This is going to be a short video, but Ellie wants to do, I don't know, collect some more video footage, content. But yeah, so it was a perfect day for hiking. What is it, like 35? And no wind until the drone got up in the air. You'll see that footage. And we're just about back, so everybody say goodbye.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Leave a comment.
And smash that bell, ring that bell. All right, see you guys.
Peace.